Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest money management tips for 2025. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to transfer money from your Airtel Payment Bank to your Paytm Wallet. With the new updates in 2025, this process is faster, safer, and more user-friendly than ever before. Whether you're splitting bills or sending money to family, this guide will get you sorted in no time. First off, ensure you have the Airtel app installed on your smartphone. If it's not there, head to your App Store and download the latest version for seamless 2025 features. Once that's done, open the app and log in using your registered mobile number, password, or biometric options like fingerprint or Face ID for extra security. Now, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. After logging in, tap on the Payments or Transfer tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your money-moving magic happens. Step 2. Look for the Send Money or Transfer to Wallet option and select it. You'll see a list of popular wallets and banks. Step 3. Choose Paytm Wallet from the options. If it's not immediately visible, use the search bar to find it quickly. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure to double-check this to avoid any slip-ups. Every penny counts. Step 5. You'll need to add the recipient's details, like their Paytm-linked mobile number or wallet ID. If you haven't linked your accounts before, the app might prompt you to do so for a smoother experience. Step 6. Review the transaction summary, including any small fees that might apply in 2025 due to updated regulations. Step 7. Hit the Confirm button and authenticate the transfer with your MPIN or biometrics. That's it. The money should land in the Paytm wallet almost instantly. Remember, always keep your apps updated and monitor your transactions for security. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 finance hacks. See you in the next video.